Jaguar is trying to reborn their sports division with a new beast, a Jaguar F-Type. And I think they've done a pretty good job. It feels so elegant, so nice, but if you push this button it will change everything. It's like you feel the actual adrenaline boosting inside your body. The sound is so true, so breathtaking. It's luxurious, elegant and very very fast. The 3-liter V6 engine is supercharged and produced 375 horsepower, with a top speed of 171 miles and 4.8 seconds acceleration from 0 to 60. Can you enjoy riding this car in the city? Well, yes you can. It's the most striking, most elegant way to go from point A to point B. Even it's not that big, it's not tiny, but it's not preposterous. But it feels real. It feels like an old school sports car. True sounds, true throttle response, true handling. There is nothing fancy, nothing too complicated. Don't get me wrong, it's not perfect. The visibility is terrible, the price is way too high. But it's one true Jaguar, and we didn't see one of those in a very long time.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.